So hi friends, in this video I'll tell you some keyboard shortcuts. So the first one is that if you press the Windows key plus any number, the number corresponding in the taskbar app will open. So in this taskbar, second app is File Explorer. So when I click Windows key plus 2, so the File Explorer will open. So the next one is to open the Action Center. Just click Windows plus A to open the Action Center quickly. So the next one is to open the clipboard. Just click Windows plus V to open the clipboard. So here you can paste anything. So the next one is to open the display settings. Just click Windows plus U to open the display settings. Here you can see the display settings. So the next one is about minimizing all the apps at once. If you have many apps on your screen, just click Windows plus M key to minimize them all, or you can or you could just click Windows plus D to show the desktop. So the next shortcut is to open the File Explorer. So just click on Windows plus E. So the File Explorer will be opened. So if you want to get more videos like this, please consider subscribing. So the next one is to open the connecting menu first. So normally you will select the Action Center and click on this connect to open this connect menu. So the easy step is just click on Windows plus K button, which will open up the connect menu. It will be easy to connect your headphones and speakers from here. So the next one is to open the search bar. There are two shortcuts for opening the search bar. First one is Windows plus S key, and the other one is Windows plus Q key. Both of them will open the search bar. So the next one is the shortcut to lock your computer. So that is Windows plus L. So Windows plus L will lock your computer. So this one is about taking a quick screenshot. Just click on the Windows key plus print screen, and the screenshot will be captured and it will be saved in your pictures folder. So the next one is to open the whiteboard or the full screen step. Just click on Windows plus W. So here you can see the whiteboard and full screen step. I have not downloaded the whiteboard, that's why the icon is like that. If you click on this full screen step, the full screen shot will be captured. So the next one is Windows game bar. So just click Windows plus D to open the Windows game bar. It is very useful for many things. It can measure the performance, the CPU, GPU and RAM, and it can also record screen, but it cannot record desktop or anything like that. It can only record some apps and games, and you can also screenshot with it.